Have you ever dreamed of buying your first rental property, but it just seemed too complicated or expensive? What if you learned the simple method I used and it was nothing like what they teach in school? Hello there, it's Korianne here. It's so good to see you back. For those of you who are new here, I have been investing in cash flow real estate for over 20 years. And I reached my financial independence in my mid-30s. My passion now is teaching other professional women how to do the same so you can build the life you want. Today, I'm sharing you the exact method I used to buy my first rental property. Deliver in real, actionable steps you can start using right away. What you will learn today is how to find and evaluate rental properties safely, even if you don't live nearby. The steps to lower your risk and boost your cash flow from day one. How the right investment change your life and future generations. And some story, questions, and mistakes you will learn from so you can act fast and smart. This isn't theory. I started out just like you, busy, unsure, and searching for freedom. Real estate gave me options, security, and legacy. I'm not a financial advisor, but I have helped dozens of women buy their first rentals, some with as little as $20,000 down, using real strategies, not hype. So how did I find my first rental property? Let's start from the beginning with honesty. After paying almost $8,000 for a weekend seminar, I learned a major truth. I didn't have to buy in my own city, especially when the numbers did not make sense. My mentor at that seminar, who overcame a lot of challenges himself, told me, don't play it safe with just one expensive property. Trade your rental in California, spread your equity across 5 new builds in Arizona. So I took his advice so that I flipped my entire decision-making process after he advised me that. So I began searching and contacting agents in Arizona and starting analyzing properties in Phoenix, Arizona back in 2002. I discovered that Arizona offers cash-on-cash return around 8 to 10%, much higher than where I was living. I learned to invest where the numbers work. If you only own one property, a vacancy means 100% lost income. But 5 properties, if one is empty, the other 4 keep paying you. That's how I went from a $600,000 portfolio to $1.25 million in just the first year. Think of the real estate like planting seeds. In the right market, with enough properties, your garden always grows. If you want a visual how this scales, check out my video about 8 properties that helped me become a multimillionaire. Some have paid down the mortgages for me for almost 20 years. So what if I told you that the biggest risk isn't losing money, but missing out on opportunities because you waited for perfect timing? So how did I evaluate if the property was a good investment? Here is my checklist. Keep it simple by using data. Buy in the market with a strong local economy. Look for steady population growth. A 1% annual increase over at least 5 years is a great sign. Choose places with diverse job industries, affordable housing prices, and low crime rates. Research good schools for families. This boosts your rent value. Make sure the property produces cash flow from the first day. Don't hope for appreciations alone. So I built an Excel sheet for every property. Just plug in the numbers, compare different cities, and call local property managers to get the real market rent. You can also use websites like Redfin or Zillow to estimate property values and also rental rates if you don't want to contact the real estate agent. So the right deal is not always the cheapest. It's one with strong fundamentals and protection for your cash flow. Ask yourself, if this town lost its biggest employer, would people still want to rent here? If the answer is yes, you are on the right track. Do you know that most mistakes investors make come from skipping this step? So drop your question below. What scared you the most about evaluating deals? So how did this 5 first cash flow property change everything for me? Invest in the right market at the fair price changed everything. My first set of out-of-state properties proved to me real estate isn't about luck. It's about strategy and patient growth. That is a aha moment. It made me realize how powerful real estate is for anyone looking to build wealth and security. So 5 properties give me a 7-figure net worth for retirement. 20 properties would dramatically change my family's future, kids, grandkids included. Why? Because you can live off the cash flow, never worry about running out of money, and still have the legacy to pass on. Plus, real estate offers tax incentive better than any else I have invested in. Cash flow refinance let you access equity tax-free. Use the tender and exchange to defer capital gains and scale up your portfolio without paying taxes every single time. Place your property into a family trust. When you pass away, your loved ones inherit with huge tax benefits. Always consult with attorney. The wealthiest use these strategies. You can too. Remember, this isn't legal advice. Always seek a professional, okay? But don't let fear hold you back. Most importantly, don't rush to sell your rentals unless the local economy shifts hard in a strong market. With the right property, patience pays off. Hold for the long terms. Let compounding do the heavy lifting for you. Your future self will thank you, and your family will too. Let me give you an example. I purchased a property for 1.3 million, and 20 years later, in a fantastic location, is now valued at 4.1 million. So let's make this a conversation of the few questions that I want to ask. Have you ever feel stuck or scared to make your first move in real estate? Drop your story or your question in the comments. What is the biggest myth you have heard about investing in rental properties? If you could own property in any state, which would you choose? I would love to hear your answers and reply to as many comments as possible. If you are serious about building wealth, stay in this loop. Make sure to watch, learn, apply, and grow. Watch the loop videos on my channel. It is packed with tips for beginners and real story from women just like you. If you want support and community, join our Smart Real Estate Women email list. I will let you know as soon as enrollment open again. Never forget, you can do this. You deserve this. And a life of wealth and freedom is yours to claim. Ciao.